In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer photos and videos from iPhone to PC without iTunes. And the best thing about this, you don't even need a cable, okay? This is the best way. I'm always using this method to transfer files from my iPhone to my PC without iTunes or anything like that. This is very quick and simple. All you have to do, guys, is follow these simple steps and you will be able to do the same thing. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to download this app. Go to your app store, okay, and search for VLC. Now, after, guys, you search for VLC, you want to just download the app. Okay, I'm going to download, yeah, this is VLC. I don't know why this is taking so long. Yeah, as you can see, this is VLC, guys. I'm sorry. Now, what you want to do, guys, you want to download VLC because this is the app I am using to transfer photos and videos without iTunes, and this is very quick and easy, guys. All you have to do is download this app on your iPhone. Now, after you download, guys, VLC, you want to go to, yeah, after you download it, you don't even have to open VLC. You just want to go to your photos and videos that you want to transfer to your PC in a few steps. Now, all you have to do, guys, for example, I want to transfer these two videos, okay? Now, after I select the videos, click select, as you can see, select the videos that you want to transfer and click this upload button at the very bottom left, or share button. Click on it at the very bottom left and then scroll down a little bit and click on save to files. Now, that's all you need to do, guys. Every time you want to transfer something, just click save to files and select VLC. Okay, click on VLC. If you don't see here VLC, click on my iPhone and a few different options will come up, and click on VLC. Now, the next step, guys, you want to just click save in the top. That's all you need to do, guys. Now, the second thing, by the way, you are not going to do this every time you want to transfer something. This is just for the first time. It will be much easier the next time. Just click on VLC and you want to click on network, okay? Click on network. After that, you will see here this code. It's 192.168.100.2. I am going to search for this right now, as you can see. 100. Okay, this is the IP address. Now click on it and you will find all the videos, and the best thing about this is make sure they are connected to the same Wi-Fi, okay? Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your laptop. Now, after that, you will see the list of videos here. If you don't see it, make sure you open the app, because you will not see the videos here if you don't open the app, okay? Now click on the video, just click on it and it will start downloading immediately. I'm going to open the app because that's why, yeah, as you can see, immediately you can just drag it and put it on your desktop, do whatever you want. So that's exactly, guys. If it doesn't work with photos, try with videos. If there is something wrong with if you want to transfer photos and it doesn't let you know, it doesn't let you do that, just let me know in the comments what iPhone exactly do you have. I will tell you what to do exactly to enable photos on your iPhone. Now, that's exactly, guys, how you can transfer photos and videos to your PC with your iPhone. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.